Here we have a 2012 Chevy Silverado 3500 LT. This truck has a 6.6-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This truck is four-wheel drive with 100,000 highway miles, getting 18 to 20 miles per gallon on the highway. It has a Flow Pro exhaust. The aluminum toolbox is not included. It takes diesel fuel with a 100-gallon tank, and the exterior is navy blue with black interior. Owned by one owner and has been very well maintained. There is no warranty available for this truck, but is in excellent condition and ready to go for you today. So call our friendly staff at 855-882-6670 for more information on this 2012 Chevy Silverado 3500 LT.